this video, we want to remove the black circle under the eye in image, as you can see. To do that, first make an empty layer and duplicate the background, then move it to the top layer. Now select the first layer and from image menu, adjustment, select desaturate. Now from filter menu, other, select high pass and decrease it to around 50. Now change the blend mode of this layer to overlay, then right click on it and select create clipping mask. Now select the empty layer and choose brush tool from the toolbar, then decrease the opacity to around 30%. Now by holding Alt key, select a lighter color around the eye and click on dark parts for both eyes. Now let's see the changes. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching Saranvid channel.